Hi children, we have done plane figures. Now let's do an exercise. Looking at the plane figure, you should name it. Can you? Good. Here we are. Plane figures. Let's work out few exercises. Look at this. What is this? Look at this idea. Two long sides, two short sides. What is this? Good. This is a rectangle. Very good. Rectangle. A rectangle has two long sides, two short sides, and it has four corners. Very good. Good. Let's take the next exercise. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. All sides equal, has four corners. What is this? This is a square. Very good. A square has four equal sides and four corners. Very good. So this is a square. What is this? This is a square. It's got four sides that are equal and four corners too. Good. Let's go to another exercise. Look carefully. What is this? This is a triangle. A triangle has three corners and three sides. Triangle. What is this? This is a triangle. Triangle has three corners and three sides. Very good. Let's go on to another exercise. Are you enjoying this? Good. What is this? This is a good circle. A circle has no sides, no corners. What is this? This is a circle. It has no corners and no sides. Did you enjoy? Very good. Let's take another. What is this? This is an oval. Yes, it has no sides, no corners. Good. What is this? It's an oval shape. Oval. It has no sides and no corners. Did you enjoy this exercise? Very good.